Now I saw how to use image, only image tag. What is resource? SRC. SRC is the source of the file. So how to add? So I already add some picture in my folder. You can add also some folder and rename the picture, because you under it is help to make changes. So that is 1 2 3 4 5, some jpg picture is there. So why use resource source? Here I use 1.jpg. okay, why jpg? Jpg is the format of the picture. Okay, or you can see it, save it and see it what is the changes of here. This is the my 1.jpg. It is very increasing size, right? So how to change this? Normal length is, height is 100 pixel. Use pixel or percent, no problem. Width also 100 pixel. Okay, save it, run it. That is 100 pixel, 100 pixel. Okay.